Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and over the next few videos we'll be driving Louisiana Highway 37, which is called Greenwell Springs Road for most of its length. We begin on Gus Young Avenue in the Mid-City North neighborhood, a few blocks east of Acadian Thruway. We'll be driving through a mostly residential area for a few blocks before Greenwell Springs Road begins. Gus Young was a prominent civil rights leader in Baton Rouge and on the board of the local chapter of the NAACP. Young passed away in 1969, and in 1971 the street, formerly Capitol Avenue, was renamed in his memory. As we cross North Foster Drive, Greenwell Springs Road begins and will continue for the next 28 miles. The Lobdell-Wooddale neighborhood is on our right, and Capital Middle Magnet School is on the right side of the street ahead. Here at Wooddale Boulevard, LA 37 begins, and we'll be following the state highway for the rest of this series. We're just a block short of Airline Highway, which carries US 61 through Baton Rouge. We cross US 61 on a cloverleaf interchange without much fanfare. Only the small black and white signs indicate the crossing of this major highway. On the right is an abandoned relic of the past. The Real Superstore, a defunct grocery chain in southern Louisiana, has not existed since the mid-1990s. But the former Greenwell Springs location still has its iconic sign standing over 25 years later. The building has been leased out for various things over the years, but its time as a grocery store is long over with. Grass mostly covers its unmaintained asphalt parking lot. The chain was owned by National Tea and was sold to New Orleans-based Schwegman Brothers Giant Supermarkets in 1995 as part of the National Canalvillery Supermarket buyout, and by 1999 Schwegmans was bankrupt and all of its remaining stores were shuttered. At Sherwood Forest Drive, we leave the city limits of Baton Rouge, and we'll conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.